Let's look at the midday movers today, starting with SpiceJet. The stock is buzzing as much as 14% in trade, and this on the back of the news that the US Aviation regulator FAA has allowed Boeing 737 MAX to fly again. So there are a lot of positives for SpiceJet on multiple counts. One obviously in India only SpiceJet has MAX aircrafts in its fleets, which is around 13 in number. So that is a positive over there, and this is quite a positive sign, as since March 2019 these MAX aircrafts had been grounded and the company was incurring a lot of maintenance costs, upkeep stocks costs as well. So that is why now after this is allowed, after the permission is given, finally they'll be able to use these fleets as well. Now moving on to Hero Motocorp. The stock is buzzing in trade, and this is on the back of the news that it is sold more than 14 lakh units of motorcycles and scooters during the period, and this was during the festive period that they've specified, that the 32-day festival period starting from Navratri and concluding with Bhai Dooj. So positive sign over there. Plus the company has also said that 98% of the festive season volumes sold by Hero Moto in the previous year is what the current year's volumes are at. So very positive sign on the recovery front as well. Moving on to Pfizer, the company stock price is up as much as 4% in trade today after Pfizer Inc. and BioNTech announced that the company has concluded the phase 3 study for the COVID-19 vaccine, and this means that they are meeting all the primary efficacy endpoints, is what the company has also said, and the COVID-19 vaccine is 95% effective, is what Pfizer Inc. has said. So that is very interesting, and also they will be applying for the emergency use from the FDA for this vaccine as well. So that's going to be interesting, and we'll surely keep an eye out on any positive news coming in on the vaccine front as well. Now moving on to GPT Infra Projects, the stock is up as much as 10% in trade after the company's joint venture has bagged an order of 160 crores from the West Bengal government for repair and rehabilitation of the second Hooghly Bridge. So a good order coming in for GPT Infra Projects. Moving on to Vedanta and BPCL, both these stocks are buzzing in trade. Vedanta is up as much as 4% after Vedanta has submitted a preliminary bid to buy government stake in the state-run fuel retailer BPCL, and that's why we're seeing that the stock is buzzing in trade today. Vedanta up as much as 4%. Now even Titan, the stock is buzzing as much as 4%, and the management joined us today on the channel where they mentioned that the company's jewelry business has seen a growth in the mid-teens during this festive season. So very positive sign, and overall the company did give a festive period update where they said that they saw a broad-based recovery and growth across their segments, and they have performed quite well during the festive season, especially jewelry segment, which accounts to more than 80-85% of their revenues, has also done well, and they've seen a mid-teens growth, so around 15% growth in the jewelry segment, very positive during the festive period, and surely the stock is buzzing on the back of this positive news as well.